Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing of the new Bose 700 noise cancellation headphones. I've done the unboxing at the Reliance Digital store where I purchased it, so I did not go through turning it on and checking the noise cancellation levels, this and that, but that will be covered in the full review later. But this is just the unboxing and what all contents we get in the box about the new Bose 700 noise cancellation headphones, the overview of it, how does the box looks, the case, and the whatever cables you get in the box, and the headphones definitely. So without further delay, let's begin the show.
So guys, this is the new Bose headphones, the Bose noise cancellation 700. This is the new latest headphones from Bose, and let's unbox it. So here, this is the quick unbox strip. You don't need an unboxing tool or something. This I bought it in Reliance Digital, and I'm unboxing it there itself currently in the store just to check the contents of the box and everything. And this is how it opens. There is a seal here. That is strange to see that. Okay, you have a quick unbox strip and then you have a seal. So probably let me get a cutter or something, or maybe we can just chip it off like that. Let's chip it off. So let's not use any unboxing tool for this unboxing. This is bad. Okay, it chipped off, and this is how it unboxes. This is the case, the carry case. It's huge actually. You get some other stuff in the box. It's a paperwork, a booklet you get. Let's keep this aside. And this is the actual case of the headphones in which you generally carry your headphones. It's huge compared to what earlier it was. The Bose QC35 had a very small compact case. This is very big. It opens like this, and here is the headphones, and there is a quick guide or something here written, mentions about the touch controls on the headphones, and there is a magnetic pouch here to keep the cables. So you get a type 3.5 jack to 2.5 jack, and there is a type C to USB. So that's it in the box, and these are the actual headphones, and this is a physical overview of the headphones. You get two buttons on one side and one button on one side. One is a power on off button and a system assistant button basically. And here, this is how it's adjusted, but the bad thing is you have to adjust it to put in the case again. So that's it. This is for this unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching.
So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved it. It was just an unboxing, so stay tuned for the full review and the level of noise cancellation, call quality, the build quality, what all the features, the Bose app, everything I'll be covering in the next video. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.